The commander of the Defense Forces, General Emmanuel Matatu, has publicly aligned himself with President Mnangagwa's controversial ED28 agenda, signaling yet another blow to Vice President Constantine Chiwenga's long-standing hopes of succeeding his long-term ally turned rival. Sanamina Mashoko Budapankwaino Achinzi, top service chief joins ED28 campaign. Don't was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipna Mnamubda Inkomchinzi. General Matatu made the declaration at State House on Monday during his investiture ceremony, where President Mnangagwa adorned him with full insignia of a general following last month's promotion. His pledge to support and conform to Mnangagwa's Vision 2030, while interpreted within ZANU-PF as the presidency, political ambition to extend his rule beyond the 2028 constitutional limit, deepened perceptions that the military top brass is being strategically reconfigured to secure Mnangagwa's state 30-term bid. For years, ZANU-PF has been riven by a growing rift between factions aligned with Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. While the two were joint architects of the 2017 military intervention that removed the late Robert Mugabe, their alliance is frayed in Mnangagwa's consolidation of power, systematic sidelining of the Chiwenga camp, and calculated elevation of military officers loyal to him. The recent demotion of Lieutenant Anselm Sanyatwe and the rise of Lieutenant Asha Walter Tavmane, a trusted Mnangagwa loyalist, are widely read as part of his strategy. Matatu's remarks, therefore, were not merely ceremonial, they were political. In quotes, I'm aligned, Your Excellence, to the expectations and responsibilities that go with the elevation. As you and the political leadership strive for a nation to attain a middle-income economy by 2030, we as the ZDF shall conform and support this vision to its fruition, he said. While he acknowledged former commanders, including Chiwenga, General Matatu's pointed declaration of loyalty to Mnangagwa placed him firmly in the presidency camp at a time when succession battles are intensifying behind the scenes. Mnangagwa, for his part, used the ceremony to underline his trust in Matatu, describing the appointment as a recognition of vast experience, professionalism, and loyalty. He emphasized discipline, unity, and patriotism, attributes the president has increasingly invoked as he reshapes the security establishment. Thomas Kwan muda itoka pangua inoi, wachon kwa kunzi awa, pangua inoi, the commander of the ZDF wayatish alaina ni mtungamiro wa nyeka. Pina comment section medu za mafunguro enyi matudi pa msori pechit kwa each. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.